Clear, na meaning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are how many types of cell? Two types of cell. Primary cell and secondary cell. Ryansh, can you tell me principle on which cell works? Principle on which cell works? Huh?
Sir, the cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy.
Correct. So if there's a principle, it
And it
converts
also can be
chemical
reversed.
energy. No, that is okay. But it works on this principle. While giving, our main job is what? Get the current, not to give the current. So main purpose is chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Yes, Aditya, how many types of cells are there in the market?
Two types.
What are they called as?
Primary and secondary current.
Okay. Saksham, what do you mean by electrolyte? Electrolyte means what? Not remembering? Then pass. No problem. Aryan, what is electrolyte? The solution through which current can flow is called electrolyte. What is electrolyte? Solution through which current can flow. Okay. Hello?
Sir, what does that solution contain?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mostly it is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It can allow the current to flow. Acidified water can also allow the current to flow. So primary cell, chemical reaction is irreversible. Secondary cell, chemical reaction is reversible. Which cell can be reused? Sanvi? Which cell can be reused?
So secondary cell.
Secondary cell. Sri Lakshmi, what do you mean by discharging? Aryan, what is discharging of current?
Sir, बोलूं?
आर्यन नहीं है क्या? आर्यन आवाज नहीं आ रहा है? What is discharging?
Aryan is not audible.
हाँ कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है. चलो रियांशु से.
Sir, discharging मतलब converting chemical energy into sorry, हाँ, electrical energy.
बराबर. Perfect. And charging means converting chemical into electrical. Leclanche cell is secondary cell or primary?
Sir, नहीं sir, क्या बोलते हैं? Converting electrical into chemical ना?
Electrical into chemical. That is called charging.
हाँ.
Okay. Name primary cell. Leclanche cell is primary cell. Daniell cell is primary cell. Simple voltaic cell is primary cell. Dry cell is primary cell. And secondary cell is also called as lead acid accumulator. Lead acid accumulator. Or nickel alkali accumulator. Or lithium hydrogen battery.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ये मैं नोट में लिखा है, मैंने आपको भेज दूंगा. Define current. What is current? Rate of flow of charge. This I had explained you, so I am revising it. Rate of flow of charge across cross section normal to the direction of flow of current. Rate of flow of charge across cross section normal to the flow of current. Normal to the direction of flow of current. Okay, got it? Hello? Hello, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Current is rate of flow of charge normal to the cross section of direction of flow. Can I say current is Q by T then?
Yes, sir.
What is Q?
Coulomb.
Charge. Coulomb nahi. Q is charge. Unit is coulomb. T is time. Unit is second.
Yes,
so current ka unit is what then?
Coulomb upon second.
Very good. Coulomb upon second, or also called as ampere. It is scalar quantity or vector quantity?
Sir, vector.
No. This is common mistake. It is a scalar quantity independent of direction. Now see why it is independent of direction. Now suppose I supply current from one wire this is one wire, current comes here 3 ampere. From here one more current comes 4 ampere. Then it flows here. What you will say, how much current is flowing? 7 ampere, no? 3 and 4 adds up. So while adding we have found only use of algebraic addition. 3 plus 4 is 7. So anything which is algebraically added, not geometrically, they are called scalar quantity. So current is which quantity?
Scalar.
Okay, scalar.
सर पर हमेशा वही वो डायग्राम के टाइम हम लोग बोलते हैं ना that electricity moves from right to left, left to right.
No, but it is not changing the magnitude, na? So that's why it is called scalar quantity. मतलब वायर कैसा भी कर दो, खाली हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं प्लस से माइनस जाना चाहिए ना, ऐसा भी चलेगा. This way also it will do. So it does not depending upon path. वो प्लस से माइनस किधर से भी जाएगा. Okay. So it is a scalar quantity. In metals, current is due to flow of electrons. Remember this, huh? In metal, current is due to flow of electron. In electrolyte, it is due to flow of ions. Okay? Both positive and negative. So just write this one. In metal, put arrow, electrons, ions. This means we are writing note. In metal, current is due to flow of electron. Right. Completed? Now write one note which we have earlier done. Once again I am explaining you. Just wait or don't write. 1 minute wait. In electrolyte, current is due to flow of both positive and negative ions. Let N1
So this is the
both positive and negative. Positive and negative ions. Let N1 positive ions and N2 negative ions let N1 positive ion and N2 negative ions carrying charge Q1 comma Q2 moves in opposite direction. Moves in opposite direction. Okay, just write down this one. This much, because in PPS they can ask one numerical based on this. N1, N2 are number of positive, negative carrying charge Q1, Q2. Therefore, total current I equals to N1 Q1 plus N2 Q2 upon time.
सर वो I क्या होता है?
I means current. Current is charge upon time. Total current I is the notation for current. N means charge total. एक का value Q1. N2 total. एक का value Q2. So total N1 Q1 upon. If positive charge is going on the left, तो उसका effect right में होएगा. Current due to positive. Negative is going to the left. Sorry. I made a mistake. If negative is going to the left and positive is going to the right, so negative ka effect is on the right. Positive is always in the direction of positive. So net current we add because direction is same. Okay, can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay. Direction of current, conventional and electronic. Direction of current, conventional and electronic. See, convention means which everybody follows. Conventionally, we should travel on the left side or right side of the road. What convention we follow while traveling? Right side or left side?
सर दोनों ना कहीं भी हो सकता है.
No. Rule is you follow your left. This is the rule. You can travel anyway. Nobody will going to penalty. They will ask for penalty, or nobody will ask for fine. We are liberal, but actually we have to follow right. What convention we follow for the signal? Red pe we should move or we should stop?
Red पे stop, orange पे slow और get ready.
So this is throughout the world we follow this convention. Tomorrow some superpower comes, he say no. Red we will run and blue we will stop. So सबको ये बाहर करना पड़ेगा बाबा, red run. So this will be convention. Convention means which is followed throughout, universal. So conventional direction of current is always taken from positive terminal of battery to the negative, or we can say it is positive in the direction of flow of positive charge. So conventionally will be negative. The current will be negative in the direction of current, electron. If this is electron flowing, so convention से इसका उल्टा होना चाहिए. यही डायरेक्शन में लिया तो माइनस ऑफ करंट हो गया. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of convention? Convention is meaning which everybody follows. So conventionally current is taken in the direction of flow of positive charge. So for electron it will be in the opposite. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now, right, very important. Again one question will be fixed too, because थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है. Right. Conventionally, please write down. Conventionally, the direction of current, conventionally the direction of current is taken positive. Conventionally, direction of current is taken positive in the direction of flow of positive charge. In the direction of flow of positive charge. The current.
सर एक बार मतलब बोलोगे?
See, current मतलब कोई भी charge का flow ना. See, current is not due to flow of positive. Any charge flows, we get current. But we have some assumption. If positive charge is flowing like this towards right, तो ये direction में current को हम लोग positive. If electron is traveling like this, तो ये direction of current positive नहीं है, वो negative है. इसका उल्टा को हम positive. ऐसा convention. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So conventionally, direction of current is positive in the direction of flow of positive charge. The current is negative. Current is negative in the direction of flow of electron. Current is negative in the direction of flow of electron. Current is negative in the direction of flow of electron. Further right, the rate of flow of electrons in a direction, rate of flow of electrons in a direction is called electronic current in that direction. So always remember, electronic current is opposite to that of conventional current. So rate of flow of electrons in a direction is called as electronic current in that direction. Thus, conventional current is opposite to the flow of electronic current. Define 1 ampere. Define 1 ampere. Any of you know what is 1 ampere? When 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second, when 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second, then current is said to be 1 ampere. When 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second, then current is said to be 1 ampere. Yes, can I clear now? Once you have done, tell me. Therefore, 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Next question, guys. How many electrons flowing for 1 second will produce current of 1 ampere? How many electrons flowing for 1 second will produce current of 1 ampere? So can I say 1 coulomb of charge flowing for 1 second produces current of 1 ampere? Hello? 1 coulomb of charge flowing for 1 second produces current of 1 ampere? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, now I want to find for 1 coulomb how many electron I should take. So let Ne is 1 coulomb. Charge, E means charge of electron, is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 equal to 1. So N will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. That will become 10 upon 16 into 10 raised to plus 19. What I did is decimal. I removed by writing 10 in the numerator. Please
Yes,
copy
sir.
this
Into
one.
10 both sides.
Or we can say multiplying numerator denominator both by 10. Just copy this much.
1 second.
Yeah, please copy this much. Then I will simplify further.
So तो फिर हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 10⁻20/16.
10 raised to 20 upon 16 नहीं आएगा. When you remove the decimal, denominator will become 10 raised to minus 20 ना.
हाँ हाँ. Done, sir.
Okay. So now that 10 upon 16, just see how we can simplify. And 10 raised to 19, I am making 10 raised to 18. Then can I take 10 with this 10 or not? Tell me. This was 19, I made 18. 110 I took here. Not followed. 10 upon 16 into 10 raised to 19 it was. I made it 100. So इसका एक power कम होएगा. So this will become now 16 6 are 96. Remainder will be 4. 16 2s are 32. Remainder 8. 16 into 5 into 10 raised to 18. So 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons when flow for 1 second, we get current of 1 ampere. Or
Sir, can you show first one? Last slide.
first one. What is first one?
Last slide, sir. Previous slide.
What exactly you want? Tell me again.
No, sir. The previous slide you were writing. Can you show that?
Once it is rubbed, it cannot be shown because
So
I'm
you
not
can do.
changing the screen. If I'm changing the screen, I can do. Same I'm rubbing and doing. If I write in different screen, then I can do. What you have written, you tell. Thus, 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons when flows for 1 second, then current is said to be 1 ampere. What you are saying? Recording to I will send, but I advise that please take proper Wi-Fi connections. Recording I have done, I knew this can happen.
नहीं घर पे सब लोग यूज कर रहे हैं और बनना भी हॉटस्पॉट पे भी आया है पता नहीं तभी भी
नहीं only if you take Jio 5 na it is perfect in our area.
Yes, sir. Jio Fiber.
Jio 5 वाला एकदम best है. And I also was facing the trouble. I told last time also when I took that, but yes, because everybody is using it is a problem. Yes, I am recording. I will send you. Don't worry. So can I clear this now?
1 second, sir. Please. No, luckily I took one screenshot.
No, I will send the recording also. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Now, if it's happening that way, then I am changing the screen and then I'm writing. Then I will get everything.
Yes, sir.
चलो इसको रब कर दो.
सर एक done, sir.
Now some conversion factor for weak current. Every time current is not that strong, then it is ampere. So different units of current, smaller current are milliampere, microampere, 1 milliampere denoted as M, capital A, equals to 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. And 1 microampere, that is denoted as Greek letter, it is called mu. MEW, mu. A is 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. You can write only capital A, to which
Sir, there are picoampere also, na? Like units if we added, join.
Pico also can be there, nano also can be there, pico current, nano current, but usually current does not goes beyond micro. कुछ यूज ही नहीं है उसका, इसलिए इतना ही पड़ता है. Charge can be in pico, coulomb, nano, coulomb. Can I rub now? Yes, done. Don't take so much time. How we are going to
Sir, 1 minute.
Sudden.
दो लाइन के लिए 15
Done.
Aryan is writing.
Sir, अभी खत्म.
Yes, Aryan, you are a family man. Sorry, Aditya,
Yes, sir.
you are a family man, I think.
Why, sir?
Some child is crying behind you.
Sir, his brother is crying.
I, symbols used in shock. दे दो shock. करंट दे दो ब्रदर को. आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
ब्रदर को थोड़ा शॉक दे दो ना. 1 मिली एम्पियर.
How, sir?
थोड़ा फिर खुश हो जाएगा. Symbols used in circuit diagrams. Very important. Everywhere we are going to use symbol. We are not going to draw the appliance or component. We have different types of electrical components connected to current source. We will not draw any appliances. Suppose this is bulb. I will not draw bulb. उसका एक symbol रहेगा. यही actually symbol. Fan है, तो I will not draw fan का ऐसा. So there will be some symbol. Wire is drawn by straight line. So there are some symbolic representation. So symbols used in current circuit diagrams. First one, right, source of current. है कोई माइक वाला जिसको मालूम है किसको बोलते हैं source of current? Who is called source of current?
Sir, battery.
Yes, battery or cell. अभी start किया. So there are two types of current source. एक alternating, दूसरा direct है ना? Direct is cell or battery.
Cell.
Which can be either cell or battery. बहुत सा cell को एक साथ join करते तो battery बोल देते ना. So right, source of current.
हाँ सर, मेरे को एक डाउट था सर. प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सेल्स में महंगा कौन सा है?
सेकेंडरी महंगा ना. देखो प्राइमरी मतलब कौन सा बता दो आपको. कभी रिमोट का सेल गया है क्या आपका? रिमोट वाला?
हाँ सर, वो नया खरीदना पड़ता है.
वो कितना प्राइस है उसका? ड्यूरा सेल का लेंगे तो 40 रुपए से. और सस्ता लेंगे तो थोड़ा और कम भी आ जाएगा. बट कार का बैटरी गया तो 10 रुपए में ला सकते हैं क्या?
सर कुछ देना पड़ता है.
वो 1000, that will be thousands, 3000, 4000 depending upon company. So secondary cell is costly. लेकिन सेकेंडरी सेल 3-4 साल चलता है.
हाँ सर.
ये प्राइमरी सेल 2-3 महीना चलता है. कार को स्टार्ट करने के लिए बहुत कंपोनेंट रहता है, बहुत स्टार्टिंग करंट बनता है.
Yes, sir.
So that's why to get huge current we require arrangement containing large vessel. उसके अंदर ज्यादा केमिकल रहता है तो कॉस्टली. Right. First, source of current. There are two types of current source. There are two types of current source. First, DC current source called as cell or battery.
Yes, sir.
Cell is represented.
Sir, DC cell.
Cell is always DC only. DC. A cell. A cell is
No, sir, you have
represented.
written D also.
Where I have written, man? I think you have to check your eyesight. आपको भी लगता है शॉक देना पड़ेगा लेक्चर स्टार्ट इधर क्या. A cell is represented by
A big line and small line.
two vertical lines. Big small ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. Vertical. Two vertical lines of unequal length. two vertical lines of unequal lengths. The longer is positive. The longer is positive and represents anode, and shorter is negative. It represents cathode. The current flows from right. The current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. The current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal.
Done, sir.
Is positive to negative outside or inside?
Outside.
Outside. Inside it is from negative to positive. Matlab, suppose this is anode, positive, and this is cathode, negative. Then outside it will go from positive to negative. Inside it goes from where to where?
Negative to positive.
So read carefully. Sometimes they can confuse. Internally in electrolyte, it will go from where to where? Negative to positive. Outside, positive to negative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Symbolically, cell is represented as shown.
As?
Represented as shown.
सर थोड़ा अच्छे से बना सकते हो ड्राइंग?
अरे वो MF हुसैन को बुलाना पड़ेगा पहले. Symbolically, cell is represented as shown. एकदम अच्छा डायग्राम है. ये मस्त डायग्राम. ये मस्त डायग्राम. ये प्लस, ये माइनस. अच्छा नहीं है?
समझा सर.
बैटरी भी बना दो साथ. Then we'll write. Battery. If you're done, please tell, huh?
Sir, wait, I am drawing B1.
Everybody is drawing B only. See where I have drawn C.
Done, sir.
Right.
सर एक बैटरी में कितने भी सेल्स हो सकते हैं ना? कंपल्सरी नहीं है.
नहीं, not necessary. 3, 4, 10 कितना भी. वो depends upon usage के ऊपर. Usually we represent it by generally 3. इधर मैंने 2 ही बनाया. Generally 3 लगा देते हैं. Battery. Right. When strong current is needed. When strong current is needed. When strong current is needed, then number of cells are joined together in series. Number of cells are joined together in series. This is called as battery. This is called as battery, as shown in B. This is called as factory as shown in B.
सर मतलब अगर उन्होंने बोला 4 सेल है तो फिर 4 बार ऐसा बताने का था मतलब।
4 1 हाँ कुछ नहीं बोला तो ये 3, 4 बोला तो 1 2 3। देखो इसको असिस्टिंग बोलते हैं, मतलब हेल्प कर रहा है। ऐसा उल्टा बना दिया ना तो ऑपोजिंग होएगा, 52 होएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा, मींस इट विल नॉट सप्लाई द करंट। The next line, the alternating current source, the alternating current source is represented by a sine curve within circle as shown. This is one circle. When you draw one crest, one trough, it is called sine curve. Sine is ratio of opposite side upon adjacent side. In trigonometry you will study in maths. So one crest, one trough is called as sine curve. So this is our AC source, which is sine curve written drawn in a circle. Have you done this much?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Second component, write key. Switch you have seen at your home, switch.
Yes, sir.
That is key only. क्या काम है उसका?
Sir, to
start and stop the current, na? To on off, to start and stop. Starting is on, stopping is off.
off.
So key is used to put the current on or off from the circuit. There are different type of key.
सर की मतलब
key and open key, ना?
की मतलब से कोई भी चीज को हम लोग ओपन करते हैं तो बंद भी कर सकते हैं ना। तो ये वायर है
like open key and closed key.
ओपन की एंड क्लोज्ड की इस मेथड, बंद कर दिया तो करंट फ्लो होएगा, खुला रखा तो करंट नहीं फ्लो होएगा, वायर में गैप है। क्लोज्ड की, ओपन की दो अलग की नहीं, इट इज की which can be kept closed, it is key which can be kept open, ऐसा। Okay, so write down key. They can ask you what is use of key, then symbolic notation of key, then different types of key. So it is used to put the current, it is used to put the current on and off. Usually we write on and off, on and off in a circuit.
Sir, ONN?
Generally we represent ONN, लेकिन क्या है on off ये ऐसा हो गया ना, ऑफ को डबल एफ कर देना, लेकिन अच्छा बुक में डबल एन मिलता है जनरली। ऑन एंड ऑफ, इट इज यूज्ड टू पुट द करंट ऑन एंड ऑफ इन अ सर्किट। एक देखो मेन
There
रोड
is
पे
one more key, na? That bracket key, and there is one dot in between.
there are three types of key which we are going to use. One is switch, other is plug key, other is tap key. Plug key, switch and tap key which we are going to use.
Yes. sir.
बैकलाइट तो एक काला रहता है ना, पुराना किसका घर में, उधर स्विच रहेगा, ये ऊपर नीचे होता है, ब्लैक कलर का बैकलाइट मटेरियल। It is used to put the current on and off in a circuit. Written?
Yes, sir. We have to make this diagram also.
No, diagram is no. This diagram I have drawn roughly. Don't draw this anything. Just write theory. Then write it may be either. It may be either plug key, comma switch, comma tapping key.
Sir, what?
tapping key. टैप मतलब इंस्टेंटेनियस रहता है, उसको पकड़ के रखा तो ये छूट गया तो वापस इट कम्स आउटवर्ड लाइक स्प्रिंग। टैपिंग की,
Tapping key.
key is generally represented by capital K.
Capital key.
K. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
The key is represented by capital K. K. The symbolic representation of open keys and closed keys are as shown. When key is open, this is called as plug key and open इससे कुछ है नहीं इधर। Then switch.
सर ये तीनों ड्रॉ करना है।
Yes, three types of
The
key है
third
ना?
one, can you? I didn't got.
You didn't got third one.
Now it came. No, actually it was show one line.
Can you see?
But
Third one?
arrow also we have to make.
Arrow also you have to make. When key is closed, plug key is as shown, switch is as shown, tapping key is as shown.
Okay, sir. Done.
It is also ऐसा open रहेगा तो open circuit भी बोलते हैं इसको। Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When key is closed,
Yes, sir.
now when key is closed, put here dot. Dot means it is closed. Plug. This is switch.
K मतलब key ना.
K stands for key. And these are varieties of key. Closed position is as shown, open position which we had drawn earlier.
Sir, what is that doorbell key? Doorbell.
That is tapping key.
Oh.
Because it is momentarily. When you plug inside, voice will come. When you release, it will stop.
Yes, sir.
That is called tapping key. Tapping key gives only current momentarily for that instant.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm doing 3 numericals for you after this. This much you have to prepare and keep ready. You will have test on Thursday. I will send the paper of this.
Okay,
इतने ही खाली छोटा part 10 mark का.
Only this key and that all.
Only what is DC current, what is AC current, what is primary cell, what is secondary cell, what is current, what is unit of current, what is meaning of 1 ampere, conventional current, electronic current, 2 symbolic notation, 1 we did of DC source, AC source and key, and 3 numericals.
Yes, sir.
चलो इसको रब करो.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can rub.
Yes, thank you. From textbook I am doing numerical number 1, page number 194 in my book.
Sir, wait. 190. Yeah? 190? Acha, 194. Yes, sir. 3 numericals are there.
3 numericals. Yes. Today I will complete all the 3. Charge of 0.5 coulomb. Charge is denoted by which letter? Q. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So Q is 0.5 coulomb.
Sir, wait, I am writing question. Sir.
Why you have textbook? Why you are writing? A charge of 0.5 coulomb is passing through cross section of conductor for 5 second time. Find the current, that means I. Current we all know, it is charge upon time. Charge is 0.5 times 5 equals to 0.1 ampere. 0.1. First one do.
Done, sir.
Second. A current denoted by I is 1.5 ampere flows through conductor for time 2 seconds. What amount of charge? So current is charge upon time. So charge is I into time. I is 1.5, time is 2. This is equals to 3 coulomb.
सर क्यू क्या होता है?
Sir, you can erase 2 1 also.
Q for charge. Q is charge, I is current, T is time. Unit of charge is coulomb, time is second, current is ampere. Okay, clear? Shall we start first?
Yes, sir. Second you can draw.
Okay. When starter motor of a car is switched on for 0.8 seconds. So switched on for time 0.8 seconds. A charge of 24 coulomb flows. Q is 24 coulomb. calculate current means I. So current is rate of flow of charge. Charge is 24, time is 0.8. I can remove the decimal by writing about 10. So I is equals to 30 amp. 30 amp.
Wait, sir.
Completed?
Sir, wait, sir. Done, sir. Done. Done.
One last part today. Third device, ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current. Ampere,
Sir, voltmeter.
voltage, potential difference. And symbolically it is written like this. A stands for ammeter. One side positive, other side negative. Positive is connected towards positive side of battery. Like if this is battery, then this will connect to the positive side. This will connect to the negative side. Ammeter का resistance must be very small.
Sir, wait, sir. I am drawing the circuit.
Right, ammeter. It is a device. It is a device used to measure electric current. It is device used to measure electric current. It is always connected in series. Its resistance is very small.
Sir, voltmeter also.
No, voltmeter अलग है. So it is device used to measure electric current.
wait
It is
2
always
minutes.
connected in series. Its resistance is very small. For ideal ammeter, resistance is 0. Practically it is not possible, but ideally we say it should be 0. And that symbolically it is represented as shown. Then draw this diagram.
Sir, 2 minutes, huh?
Sir, resistance is 0 मतलब
It will not change the current. Resistance will reduce the current. So when you put, suppose I take thermometer and I put in my mouth and it decreases my temperature. So doctor will not give medicine. He will say take 3 thermometer. Morning time put 1 thermometer, second afternoon second thermometer. So device should not alter the external. Na? Whatever is flowing, it should keep on flowing. But if ammeter itself has heavy resistance, then it will reduce the flow of current. So it will record less current. That means when it is connected, it will show less. When you remove, it will again become high.
Yes, sir.
Symbolically, it is represented as shown. So for today, this much you have to study. So Thursday I will send the paper. Please do it and send on the same day 10 mark paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.
सर थर्सडे को थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहेगा सर.
तो फ्राइडे दो ना.
हाँ फ्राइडे सर क्योंकि थर्सडे को बायो का है.
फ्राइडे दो. 10 मिनट कितना है? 10 मिनट का पेपर है.
ठीक है सर.
That's all.
सर शुड बी